I'm a person who makes noises. Like, just noises. This is unfortunately all voluntary. There's no rhyme or reason to this. The closest correlation I can come up with is when it's awkwardly quiet and I have nothing else to say. I'm also the kind of person who makes about 1 to 2 friends and then just quits. And this leads me to forgetting that not everyone else is used to these noises. So I'll be in public with people that I don't really know, but my one friend does know, and I have to wrestle the urge to let the noises win. I've been in one too many situations where I start to make a squawking sound and I have to turn it into clearing my throat. I don't know if anyone else notices this, but I definitely noticed this when I rewatch my VODs. Someone in chat once asked, why did you make meowing noises all of a sudden? And I have no recollection of ever doing so, but I know exactly what noise they're talking about.